Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy and I would like to say thank you so much guys for following me on this journey. But please, before we go into any details, if you need to grab something to eat, if you need to have something to drink, basically I would recommend to have water. As you can also see, I have a lot of stuff here. I would say I have a lot of stuff on my table, as I'm going to be trying to show you on how you can really include linseed and flax seeds, or what you can call chia seeds as well, in your daily routine. But please, before we go into any details, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget please to share my video in case you find it very interesting. And if you want to, just to share a few tips with your other friends. People are there, but sometimes people might not know things that might be very helpful for their health. And please, let's just go straight into the point. Well, today's topic is just gonna be, let me just call it like a topic, guys. It's not really something very tricky. I'm talking about again the linseeds. If for those who haven't really watched my previous video, I please recommend, because I talked about the benefits of linseeds in your for your health and in your daily routine. Why would you really need to have linseeds and chia seeds are very helpful because they are going to help your heart function very well. It might help you from preventing diseases like cancer. I mean, linseeds are very good. It helps you in so many things. Well, as Raquel, as I always promise that I'm always going to keep my stuff, everything, just keeping it real, keeping it simple. And right now, let's just get started. So for me as Raquel, how do I really include linseeds in my morning routine? If it's not actually morning routine, I can also include it like in my day. I can have it between the snack if I didn't have really breakfast. This is how I really go with linseeds. I always keep them very close in this glass. I will get 2 spoons. Well, I have hot water, as you can all see. I've brought hot water in a cup, in a plastic cup, and I've also brought lemon. That is what normally I do every morning. I squeeze the lemon in the hot water, because this is just gonna help me in my digestion, like to digest everything such that I don't really get some complications in the morning. It will ease my stomach such that I can really use the other area very well. I will get this hot water and lemon, put 2 teaspoons of chia seeds and linseed mixed together, because everything here for me is really well mixed, and try to mix it together. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll just leave the hot water just to cool for about, let me say, I'll give it like about 5 minutes, and then when I know that I can drink the water after boiling, because they would have soaked, and then I can drink it, just try to stir a little bit more, drink the water, and I'll be all set for the day. And also that is number 1. Number 2, how can you mix linseed when you're at home? As Raquel, I will have a cacao. I'll get just 2 spoons, what you can call hot chocolate, or maybe, but for me I can have it with hot milk or cold milk. Get 2 spoons in a glass of chocolate, And then put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and linseed together. Put it on the side, and then I will mix with that is if I wanted to have something to do with another flavor. I won't put too much of the milk, but I'm just gonna add 1 more spoon of chocolate, powdered chocolate. And then what I will do, I will mix this with the linseeds, because linseeds you don't really need to have too much. And once that is done, I'll leave it as well for about let me say 3 to 5 minutes. I'll just come and drink it. It will help for my digestion system. And guys, this is very healthy. It prevents a lot of things in your stomach. It will help you from cancer. It will also help in inflammation, dead cells from your body, your skin. So if you can, just do yourself a favor and just mix that. Those are 2 ways. So a third way would be, I'll get another glass, empty glass, get my yogurt. It doesn't really matter. This is Greek yogurt of my own flavor, with dark berries. So I'll just get the yogurt, scoop it out, because the yogurt is most of the times too thick. What I will do, I'll just add a little bit of some milk, and because I'm allergic to dairies, by the way, I usually take milk with lactose, which is lactose free. And then I'm gonna mix a little bit of this, such that it really gets a bit watery with the yogurt. And then I'll get 2 spoons of the chia seeds and linseeds, mix it together. And then again I will mix. If I feel like it's still too thick, I'll just add a little bit of some milk. And when I mix yogurt, I don't usually take it like very early in the morning. I will take this I'll just have this basically, not as when I have hot water. I'll just have this as food for me, because I only have one meal like in a day. Basically, actually, it's for me, it's just enough. During the day, between the day, I take things like carrots, I take like paper, like very light things, like I'll take apples, things of that kind. So if you can as well, I really I would also recommend you to do maybe that if you can. If you can't, that's no problem. So because this is my third one, I'm just gonna borrow this teaspoon from the linseed, and then I'll keep them really closed, very well closed. And then I'll add some of the pomegranate, like how I feel, like how much I feel like what I want to have. If I want to have like almost half of it, or if I want to have the whole of it, I can also have it. So I will mix it with my yogurt. And that's it. So you can really see, these are some of the ways on how you can really mix the linseeds. You can now really see with the hot water, it's really already soaked, and you can just stir it in between, right like this, and then you can drink it. Let me just have a taste. So it's all set. I won't really do that from the camera this time around, like I've always done it before. So I would like to say my friends, my loved ones, people who are really my loved ones, people who are really following me, even if you've just, just come across with this to my video, just tell me how do you mix your smoothies, or maybe how you use linseeds in your daily routine. But for me, this is how I do it in my daily routine. Please allow me to send some greetings to all of the people out there, like people who have been following me, people who have subscribed on my channel. Again, I would like to say thank you so much. I cannot really thank you enough. And for the people who are out of German, like let me say in Australia, people who are in America, people who are in Uganda, in Africa, South Africa, everywhere, Tanzania. By the way, let me just send my greetings to my friend called Chris Moleke. Chris, you have been complaining why I don't really send you greetings. Now today is your day. It's like I'm sending you all my greetings from German, and I really miss you as my friend. And I hope we can catch up some other time when I'm in Uganda. Basically, sorry guys about that, but I had to say that. So anyway, to cut the story short, guys, I have to wish you a very beautiful season, and please be very careful, wear the mask, and always keep distance. Do not visit. Come in, just try to keep it like in a very short number of people around you. And I hope to see you in my other next video. Raquel Joy is my name. And guys, please do not forget, we are gonna be talking about so much things that can really help you, from keeping you look younger, things that are gonna help you to really have a beautiful skin. I know my skin is, for me, my skin is beautiful. So guys, see you very soon in my other next video. Bye.